only binary solution. Binary means it contains only two components. Mainly first we define the solution. Solution is homogeneous mixture of two or more non-reacting substances whose composition can be varied within certain limit. म्हणजे solution is a homogeneous mixture of two or more non-reacting substance and whose composition changes within certain limit. That is called as a solution. In solution there must be two components. One is called as the solute, second is called as the solvent. The solvent is the component which constitute larger part of solution, and solute is a component which constitute the smaller part of the solution. For example, solution of a sugar in water means sugar can be dissolved in water, in which sugar is a smaller amount, therefore it is a solute, and water is a large part, that is called as a solvent. Solutions are classified depending upon the physical state of the solute and solvent. There must be the 9 types, mainly 3, and thereafter 3. First is the solute, solvent, and their example. Here first liquid solution, in which solid is a solute, liquid is a solvent, and example is a sugar in water or seawater. Second, liquid is a solute, liquid is a solvent, and example is ethanol in water. And third is a gas is a solute, liquid is a solvent, and example is a carbonated water means carbon dioxide gas dissolved in the water. Next is a gaseous solution. In gaseous solution, solid is a solute and gas is a solvent. Means iodine is a solid in present in air. Iodine in air is the example of the solid in gas. Second, liquid is a solute, gas is a solvent. Example is chloroform in nitrogen. Chloroform is a liquid and nitrogen is a gas. And next is gas in gas means both are the gaseous state. Example is a air. Air is a mixture of the number of the gases. Solid solution, in which solid is a solute and solvent is a solid. Solid in solid, example is a alloy means brass is a combination of copper and zinc. Next, liquid is a solute, solid is a solvent. This is the example. Amalgam means sodium and mercury. Mercury is a liquid, sodium is a metal called as the sodium amalgam. And next is gas is a solute, solid is a solvent. Example is a hydrogen in palladium means hydrogen addition on the palladium, in which the state of the solution is depends upon the state of the solvent. Classification of solution depends upon the amount of solute present in the solution. There are 3 types. One is called as the saturated, second unsaturated, third is supersaturated. Saturated means the solution in which no more solute can be dissolved at the same temperature is called saturated solution. Second, unsaturated solution means in which the solute can be required less amount than that of the saturated solution. And third is called as the supersaturated, means it contains the amount of solute greater than or more than the saturated solution. Next point is solubility. solubility, it is denoted by small s. Solubility means the amount of solute per unit volume of a saturated solution at a specific temperature. Its unit is mole liter inverse. The factors affecting on solubility are nature of solute and solvent, second temperature, and third is pressure. Nature of the solute and solvent means the compounds which are the similar chemical characters are more readily soluble in each other than those of the different chemical characters. Generally, polar solvent and polar solute, they can be dissolved each other because there must be interacting forces between the solute, solvent and solute are similar. For example, NaCl is a polar, means ionic compound. It can be dissolved in water readily because water is a polar. Means NaCl and water both are the polar, they can be soluble in each other. Second, non-polar means the organic compounds can be dissolved in the benzene. Organic compound are a non-polar compounds and benzene is a non-polar solvent, therefore they can be dissolved. But sugar can be dissolved in the water due to the sugar molecule can be forms hydrogen bonding with the water, therefore it can be soluble in a water. Next point, temperature. If solubility of solid in liquid depends upon temperature. If the solute can be dissolved in the solvent, the dissolution is a exothermic, then solubility can be decreases as temperature can be increases. On the other hand, if the dissolution is a endothermic, the solubility can be increases with increasing temperature. It is not important or direct relation between the exothermicity and endothermicity and temperature, because some of the substances they are the exothermic or endothermic. For example, calcium chloride is a exothermic solubility and ammonium carbonate is a endothermic, but their solubility increases as temperature increases, in which some compounds the solubility can be increases. Here solubility of the NaBr, NaCl and KCl changes slightly with the temperature. Solubility of KNO3, NaNO3 and KBr increases appreciably with increasing temperature, but solubility of the Na2SO4 decreases by increasing the temperature. It is the effect of the temperature in solid in liquid, but in case of the gas in liquid, the solubility of gas in liquid can be decreases as increasing the temperature. Next point is the pressure. Pressure cannot be affect the solubility of the solid in liquid because solid and liquid both are the non-compressible. But solubility of gas in liquid can be directly depends upon the pressure of the gas, and it can be explained by using the Henry's law. Henry's law is the solubility of a gas in liquid is directly proportional to pressure of gas over the solution. It is mathematically as solubility is directly proportional to P. The proportionality can be cancelled. S is equal to KH into P. KH is a Henry's constant and KH is equal to S upon P. The unit of KH is mole liter inverse is the unit of solubility, and pressure is in bar divided bar means mole liter inverse bar inverse is the unit of the Henry's constant. हेनरीज लॉला अपवाद म्हणजे हेनरीज लॉ काही गॅस फॉलो करत नाही. म्हणजे कुठले गॅस? अमोनिया अँड कार्बन डायऑक्साईड. अमोनिया आणि कार्बन डायऑक्साईड दोन्ही पाण्यामध्ये हायली सोल्युबल आहेत. म्हणजे गॅसेस लाईक अमोनिया NH3 अँड CO2 they cannot be obey the Henry's law. For the reaction ammonia plus water it gives the NH4 plus and OH minus, and carbon dioxide plus water it gives the H2CO3. Because of the higher solubility they cannot be obey the Henry's law. This is called as the exception of the Henry's law. Next lecture you can study about the